Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write text inside a round shape in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to write text inside round shape. At first, go to the home menu, select the shape new slide option and choose blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the shapes drop down menu. We can see here many shapes. You can add the rounded rectangle, otherwise the oval shape. At first we show the oval shape. Select the oval shape, then draw the oval shape. You can change the color. Select the shape and select the shape format menu and select the fill. You can change the color, otherwise add more than effect. Now you want to add text, click right button to this shape and click the edit text option. You can write, otherwise you can paste any text. At first we write any text. You can increase the text, otherwise add more than effect. Select the text firstly and go back the home menu. Then increase the size. You can add the bold effect, otherwise added the shadow. Now we go back again the insert menu and add another round shape. Then change the color and click right button and edit the text. Then write any text, otherwise paste any text. Press Ctrl V to paste any text. Go back the home menu and increase the font size. Then applying the bold or the italic, or you can add underline, otherwise add the shadow effect. Now we can see we add text into round shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.